Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the replay preamp on the VLC application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the More button under the playlist option at the left side on the screen and click to the settings icon. Go to the extra settings section and click to the audio button. In the replay gain section, if the first option is enabled, you can find the third option, the replay preamp, and here just write another uh, number and click to the OK button and on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.